Hey everyone, today we are going to investigate one of the last big mysteries of the house, and that is what's in the attic. So there could be all sorts of things wrong. I really should have looked in this attic before I purchased the property, but I didn't. Um, what do I think I'm gonna find up there? Well, I'm not quite sure. It's probably not going to be trusses. It's probably going to be standard framing. It's probably going to be insulated with fiberglass. I'm loosely expecting to be a light up there of some sort because of the switch here. I don't think there's any kind of fan up there. I'm expecting the bathroom fan to be just exhausting up into the attic because I don't see any exit point outside or on the roof. Um, Hopefully I don't find any mold or any leaks. Um, what else might it be? Oh, I'm probably going to be finding a rat's nest of wiring up there. Um, that's my suspicion. I'm hoping not, but you never know. I'm also hoping not to find any critters up there. But only one way to find out. That's interesting. Made like a little tunnel up here. Pardon me while I take the lid down. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting just to throw it up in the attic. So that makes me wonder if there's blown-in insulation being held up by that. Let's see. Is there a light? Well, if there's a light, it does not appear to work. So let me go grab a light and I will be right back. Alright, I am back with a light. Alright, it is blown-in insulation. Let's see what else I can see here. It's not very easy with this ladder. See the lights tipping. See the vent pipe for the bathroom. Oh, there is a fan. Attic fan, so that's what that switch goes to. Guess there's no light. And there's going to be no easy way to get to anything with all this blown-in insulation. Well, it looks like there might have been a catwalk kind of thing here. But, hey, I guess it's well insulated, so at least there's that. Let me crawl down from here. Oh. Definitely need to find a better way to get up here in the future. All right, well, I guess that answers a few questions. So there was we call it the ventilation on either end, so that's good. I didn't see where the bathroom vent vented out to. That could still be a problem. And unfortunately, without that insulation, it makes it tough to crawl up there and see what kind of wiring is up there, or do any real inspection, really. But that's a project for another future time. So I guess that's it for this one. So thanks for watching.